Imagine a burst of energy so immense it could power the United States for 1 million years. This is not a figment of science fiction, but a reality that occurs on our very own star, the Sun, in the form of solar flares. These flares are powerful explosions on the Sun's surface, releasing energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. They are shrouded in mystery, a captivating enigma that has intrigued scientists for years. Now, let's delve into how these celestial fireworks affect our planet Earth. When a solar flare erupts, it doesn't just stay on the Sun, it heads out into space, and some of it, the part we're interested in, comes towards Earth. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer speed and force of these solar flares. They cover the daunting distance of 93 million miles from the Sun to our home planet in a swift 8 minutes. That's faster than you can cook your breakfast. As these flares hurtle towards us, they are not left unchecked. Our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere serve as our guardians, protecting us from the potentially harmful effects of these solar emissions. It's a bit like having a cosmic umbrella that shields us from a solar downpour. However, it's not all doom and gloom. These interactions between solar flares and Earth's protective layers create some of the most stunning natural phenomena we can observe. But what happens when these powerful solar emissions interact with our protective shields? The answer may surprise you. A solar flare's impact on Earth is not merely an astronomical event, but a phenomenon with real-world implications. Imagine the northern lights, those beautiful ethereal veils of color sweeping across the night sky. They are a direct result of solar flares, charged particles interacting with our Earth's magnetic field, putting on a dazzling show for us. However, these solar flares also have a more disruptive side. When they're intense, they can wreak havoc on our technology. Satellite communications, for instance, can experience significant interference, leading to disruptions in GPS signals, radio broadcasts, and even internet connectivity. Our power grids are not immune either. Large solar flares can induce electrical currents that overload power lines, leading to widespread blackouts. And let's not forget the brave astronauts in space. They are at the forefront, potentially exposed to harmful radiation from these solar flares. So while we admire the celestial spectacle of solar flares, we must also respect their power and potential impacts. Solar flares, these astronomical wonders, are not just distant celestial events, but have tangible effects right here on Earth. We've journeyed through the enigmatic nature of these solar phenomena, tracked their path from the Sun to our home planet, and explored the impacts they have on Earth. From altering our atmosphere to influencing our technology, solar flares touch our lives in both visible and invisible ways. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we realize that even the most distant events can have profound effects on our daily lives. So the next time you look up at the Sun, remember the power it holds and how it shapes our world in ways we can see and ways we cannot.